Hey, now I'm going to teach you how to make a paper fortune teller. Now, in this whole sheet of paper, you make a triangle size. After you make a triangle size, you cut the excess paper. Now you, now you crease it. Sorry, because I'm not using a table, so... Now you have a whole sheet of paper. You make a triangle square. Now you cut this excess paper. So I turn it over. Then you make it twist. Now you will see it will be. Yeah, now you cut the excess. Now you crease it. Now you turn it over. Then you fold it again. And you cut it. Now you have this. Now you fold it to the other triangle. Then you fold it to the other. Now you bring this to the dot. Now what you do is you turn it over. Then you bring this to the center. Hey, stop crying! Ush! Alakan dilale, huh? Now you fold this in half. You fold this in the other half. Now you open this pocket, then you open the other one. Now you have a paper fortune teller. Thanks for watching. If you like it, you subscribe and you comment. Take it for your own hand. Bye bye.